Hi, I'm Felicity, and in this video we're going to be looking at ways in which we can build a conceptual understanding of improper fractions. Now, in our previous video we've established that an improper fraction is a fraction that has a larger numerator than its denominator. Let's look at a couple of examples. So first of all, we've got our proper fractions in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So we have 1 over 5 or 1/5, or 2 over 3 or 2/3. But an improper fraction, as I've said, is when the numerator is larger than the denominator. So here we've got 5 over 2, or 5/2, or 10 over 6 is another example, or 10/6. So let's look at how we can represent these improper fractions pictorially. So here I've got 3 3/4 cakes. Now the denominator is 4, so I need to divide each whole into 4 equal parts, as I've done already. Now I need to shade in the quarters that we're concerned with. So the 3 wholes add up to 4, 8, 12 quarters. But then we still need to figure out what this equals when we add the remaining 3 quarters. And we can see this is 15. So as an improper fraction, 3 3/4 cakes would be 15 over 4. Once the children are confident using these pictorial representations, we can change the order around and give them an improper fraction to start off with. So for example, we've got 7 over 5. We'd need to ask them to represent this pictorially. So let's use a bar model. Now number 5 is the denominator. So we'd divide the bar into 5 equal parts, as I've done here, and I've shaded in these fifths. But we've still got 2/5 left over to make 7/5. So what we'd need to do is make another bar, divide into 5 parts again, but then just shade in the 2 remaining fifths that we're concerned with. Finally, we can count up these shaded sections, and we can see that we've got 7/5, or 7 over 5, as an improper fraction. These are just some ways in which you can help develop a conceptual understanding of improper fractions.